If you're into crypto and you haven't heard of Arichain or Ari Wallet, you are missing a lot. Arichain is the next generation blockchain that is fast, secure, and built for real-world users. It's not just a coin, it's a complete ecosystem helping users in build and grow. And currently, they are in their testnet phase, so you still got time to jump into it. In this video, I will be showing you what makes Arichain different and why it becomes one of the most talked about projects right now. So stick to the end and you understand how this really works. And please note that this video is for educational purpose and this is not a financial advice, so make sure you do your proper research before making financial decisions. So let's proceed. So to access Arichain, you can see you really need to have the app, which is ARI Wallet, at this section here. So I've already downloaded it from my Play Store, or if you're using an iOS, you can download it from your App Store here. So if I click on it, it's going to open and you can see currently they are on their testnet section here. You can see recent access data and all that. So I'll just click on it and I have already created my own account already, and you can see I've already accumulated up to 410 ARI tokens already here, and you can see this is their ARI token. I've accumulated up to 720 of that. So for you to understand how to claim these tokens, all you need to do after downloading the app, you can just come daily to click or check in, and after you check in, you're going to be claiming this token. And for you to claim this other token here, which is the ARI token, you can perform this daily tasks here. You can see general tasks for you to perform, which I've just completed all mine. That's why they are seeing all done here. So if I go into the daily section here, you can see that I've performed all these ones. Daily check-in all done. I can see the daily quiz, I've performed that, and all I need to do, there is this one that I need to perform. Let me do that very quickly. It's going to open to this section, which you can see I've just entered it. So I'll just go back to the app and you can see that it's currently processing. So let's wait within some seconds. It's going to be completed and now it is done. As you can see, the balance has been added to me, and you can see that this is just how to be claiming the token every single day. So you can claim ARI token by just doing these tasks and all that stuff. And for you to access this token, you can just go to your Play Store or your App Store to download it, which I'm going to be dropping my referral code in the comment section or in the description section, which you can use to put at the referral section so that you can claim some smaller token. And also, mind you, if you use my referral code to put in the referral section here, I'm going to be getting some specific small amount of token for referring you. So that's just the reason why I dropped my referral code here. And it will not cost you anything. All you need to do is just use it and open your own account, and you can start claiming your ARI token. And you can also refer others to join and claim token too, directly using your referral code also. So that's it, and this is what I have to share with you in this video today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to pick interest in this. And if you want to know more about this ARI token, you can also do your personal research about it. You can go and ask all those AI, like you can ask ChatGPT, you can ask group like X AI, you can ask that. You can also ask Meta AI, and they're going to explain what exactly is ARI token or ARI Wallet is all about. So that's it, and this is what I have to share with you in this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And please, before you leave, make sure you like and share this video, and make sure you follow for more. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be seeing you next in the next video. Peace.